welcome back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great. If you are new around this channel, my name is Rupesh Minchala. I do travel vlogs. Today is my last day in Ubud and I want it to be so special. So I decided to vlog completely with my iPhone 11 Pro. So deadly combination, right? iPhone 11 Pro plus Bali. So I have a plan to go to Ubud Palace and few other places, Monkey Forest and all. So I'll be also using my drone and GoPro also. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So all set to explore, back with Scoopy, and yeah, these are all taken with GoPro action shots. So made it to the place. It is located in center of Ubud and it is free for entry and it is very similar to houses and temples around this place. So as you can see, I'll show you around. Check out this place.
Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now let me warm you up.
130 meters and maybe I'll have some breakfast here somewhere. There are so many art places. This is the place where I'm having my breakfast, Monkey Legend, and here we have Indian dishes, chapati, naan, and I got compliment already, Indian snack and lemon tea. So yeah, let's order something. Finally here, so I decided to have my brunch. I ordered chicken pizza and it's super yummy, and I also got myself drink. This is pineapple and carrot juice. So this is my brunch. Made it to my second place, Monkey Forest, and ticket is 80,000. So you have to be a bit careful with these monkeys to keep all your expensive things in your bags. So I'll show you around. Let's go. Thank you. So the first thing I have to get is some drink. Maybe I'll get orange water. So I quickly stopped here in Alpha Mart to have some orange water. It has vitamin C in it, and I also found this, having this waffy kind of thing called tango. So I'm having my snack time. So I am on my way to waterfalls. I saw beautiful flower farms all over this place. I'll quickly take few stories for my Instagram. In case you are not following, I'll be putting my handle somewhere here. Go check out and follow.
Let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Oh baby, please let me love you much.
Finally made it to my last place after riding for 1 hour and passing through beautiful villages. I felt like riding in India some locations, but finally made it. I think we have to walk from here. Right now I'm in parking. So this is the way, as you can see. Nice garden all along, and I got myself ticket 15,000 per person. So nice place, nice maintenance. So gardening is happening here. So steps started, and there are some nice restaurants all along. Ubud is full of surprises. I can hear the water stream already, and yeah, check out this place. After 500 meters, first point, as you can see, this is just a small waterfalls. There is another point over there with a cave, but this place is so beautiful and you can enjoy every bit of nature of Indonesia. There are no so many people here, so it is definitely recommended. So as you can see, this is the waterfalls, the first one. Check out the surroundings. It's so peaceful and quiet. So this is the way to second point. This place is so cool, man. I think my gimbal is wet already and my phone too. I can hear the water spring. I still have to walk. So made it to my second and main place. So this is the waterfalls. Made it to my main place here. Check out this beautiful place. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in some other planet right now.
You found me happy, you let me happy. Every day I like to go far with you. Don't forget me now, oh don't let me down. Everything I do is for your heart, baby, yeah. Oh, yeah. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I want you. Every day I reach you.
Came to dinner place and having some Indonesian food, migoreng. So it's basically noodles with vegetables and chicken, and live music is happening here. Great way to end Ubud vlog. So here is my friend in homestay, and she don't know English and I don't know Balinese, but we speak a lot. So yeah. So yeah. So I will definitely miss these people. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Done with immigration. I got the stamps. So this is while coming here, 12th November, and this is now 24th November.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We strongly discourage unauthorized changing of seats due to their weight and low.
ready to Chennai, and first thing I'm doing is having some nice spicy food.
Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh, baby, please.